All right, so now we're on to the building phase. So in our last video, we cut and we sanded all of the pieces out, and now we're just assembling together like puzzle pieces. So if you just come down here, these little knobs at the end just fit in and connect right in like that, and then they're bolted on the back, and that's how they fit together. All right, so this is the closet that we built. As you can see, we have the fuse box in here, and this just slides in and out. This little piece just fits in just like a Lego piece. And then we also have our countertop here that moves up and down. And then the final step was, after we assemble all these, is to start putting them in the van.